Let me know when you're ready. I'm ready. So throughout March, we've been exploring all things family, and I've been doing lots of bits of family tree and fun stuff on Ancestry.com, just trying to work out a bit more about what's gone on in my family history. So of course, having got quite intrigued about all of this, and I also did an interview blog with Kirsty Wilkinson from Ancestry, so I got even more nosy about what I could find out about my past. So I ordered myself my DNA testing kit. And so it has arrived in the post, and I'm really excited to see what's involved and what I have to do next. A bit of spitting apparently. So in my box I like this, welcoming me to the beginning of my story. So activate your kit online first, so I'll have to do that. So that's piece one. Nice little bag, I presume, to put my spitting in. And the testing kit. So that's me ready to go. Okay, so inside my book it says I have to activate my kit before I begin. So go to my computer and activate it. Using the activation code on the side of the spit tube, which is in here. I've not opened it yet. Next up, I have to spit in the tube, release it and shake it, and mail my sample. So make it really easy, because this is my no postage required box. Pop it in the box and send it back. I'm getting really excited already about what's going to come back, what secrets of the Brown family might be unveiled. I have two sisters, so then they'll be wanting to do it too, won't they? I feel like I have done a lot of spitting. So I have filled up to my special line, and now I've put the new lid on. I'm shaking it for at least 5 seconds. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant, 4 elephant, 5 elephant. That'll do surely. Right, now what I have to do is pop it into my collection bag. Seal with the adhesive strip. It's like Christmas. There we go. I'm going to be so disappointed if they don't find out something exciting that I didn't know. Pop it into my box. Seal it up. And away it goes. Can't wait.